Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these Pinterest inspired fall candles out of Dollar Tree items. I hope you enjoy watching. The first item you'll need will be the LED pillar candles from the Dollar Tree. I'm using two because I have matching candlesticks that I'm going to be putting these on. You will also need some Dollar Tree flower picks. I just got some random fall leaves that I'll be using. The candlesticks you see here I am not going to use because the candles are way too small. So I chose the smaller set of candlesticks, which you will see later on in the video. I do apologize for that. But the first thing you're going to want to do is just peel the paper and plastic away from the candle and ensure that your candle is in good working order. And once you have that, you are ready to put your leaf on. You just look through your bush and pick one that you feel like you want to use. I'm going to use a small one because it's such a small candle. I didn't want it to be overbearing or take away from the look of it. You'll just pull the leaf off of the pick and then you'll just snip the little end off right there with a pair of scissors and place it on your candle. Play with it and see how you want to glue it to your candle. And I think I'm going to do mine like this. And you'll just add some glue, just dab it all over the leaf as much as possible at the tips without burning your hand. It doesn't take a lot of glue, just enough to make sure that the leaf is going to stay glued to the candle. Once you have completely covered your leaf with glue, just simply take it and apply it to the side of the candle. I'm going to lay mine at an angle to resemble a falling leaf. I think it's so pretty and it's so simple to do. And if you miss a little spot with your glue, all you have to do is just add a little bit to it, but just give it a good press down to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere. And then look, it's so beautiful and so simple. I really like it. And I made two because I have a set of matching candlesticks that I'm going to put it on. The next thing you're going to get is some raffia, and I have several different colors, but I believe I'm going to go with the chocolate brown. I just think it'll bring out the natural tones in the little leaf. Now I'm simply going to remove the raffia from the package, and I'm going to cut the little piece that keeps it together. Sometimes they're so hard to untie, just go ahead and cut them. And I am going to unravel it and use about 3 or 4 strands to form a bow. I didn't do it really thick because I wanted to keep it really simple. So like I said, I only used about probably 4 strands at the most. This stuff, I love it. It's so rustic and country looking. It really goes with a lot of farmhouse decor. And that's what I have mostly in my home. You could actually use any ribbon that you'd want to use. I just chose the raffia because I do have a farmhouse style in my kitchen. And this is where I'm just going to simply take the raffia and just tie it around, and then we'll just make a little bow. It's as simple as that. Very easy and so quick. It's a nice way to add a little bit of fall to your home. And it looks so pretty. And there it is. Very simple. Just try to straighten your bow and get it as nice looking as possible. Here they are on the matching candlesticks, and I think they look so lovely, and they fit these so much better than the large candle holders. I just love it. I think it's beautiful. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'd love for you to become part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching.